How to hide your liked TikTok videos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will open these options. Click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. In here, click on Privacy, which is the second option. After that, in here, scroll down and search for liked videos and click on it. To hide your liked videos, make sure the pink dot is in only you. After you have done that, you're good to go. This is how to hide your liked TikTok videos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.